This is تمرين 4 of الدرس السابع, drill 4 in lesson 7 of Kitab Adawat al-Rabd, the connectors. And in this drill, we are looking at two aspects of a sentence that indicate opposition or some oppositional nature in which you're going to need to use innama, bal, or lakin. So if we look at the example here that is provided, al-faqr, which is poverty, and as-sa'ada, which is happiness. So oftentimes people associate sadness or some type of difficulty with poverty. But here we can show that there is some type of opposition there, such that that assumption is not correct. So the example that is given here is كان صديقي هذا فقيرا. This friend of mine is poor, ولكنه كان سعيدا في حياته. However, he he has been happy in his life. Okay, so in number 1 here we have al-marad, which is sickness, and the opposing idea here is al-istiqrar fil amal, which is being settled in one's work, right? So you can say something like he was always sick, but found stability in his work, something to that effect. Al-ummiya is illiteracy. So al-ummiya, and then hal al-mashakil, which is solving problems. So one assumes that person is illiterate, maybe incorrectly, that they would not be able to solve problems. But here you're showing that yes, they can solve problems. Again, you don't need to use these exact words, but you need to encapsulate the idea of each of these terms in the sentence that you write. In thalatha al-thara, which is wealth, and then at-tasi'a fil haya, 9 years of age, or 9 in life, which means 9 years of age. So oftentimes one doesn't associate wealth with being a child, but here you can show that that assumption isn't true. Arba'a al-qira'a al-kathira, reading a lot, and then dhiq al-ufuq, okay, limited horizons. Right, limited horizons. خمسة عدم امتلاك سيارة, not owning a car, and then the opposition there is معرفة قيادة السيارات, knowing how to drive cars. In ستة we have بطء القطار, the slowness of the train. الرحلة مسلية, which is the trip is entertaining. سبعة قلة الذكاء. So ذكاء is intelligence. So lack of intelligence, قلة الذكاء. النجاح في الامتحانات, success in exams. ثمانية عدم التدخين, not smoking. المرض, sickness. So one would assume that if one doesn't smoke, then one is going to be healthy, but then one could still get sick. تسعة نقص المواد الخام, so lack of raw materials. تفوق الصناعة, so which is outstanding productivity, or industrialization, or something of that sort. 10 كبر السن, elderly of age, right? So being older or elderly. الصحة الجيدة, having good health. 11 التعليم والخبرة, so teaching teaching and experience. الحظ السعيد, good luck. 12 الحضور في الجامعة, attending the university, and الاعتذار عن إلقاء المحاضرة, asking providing an excuse for not giving the lecture. So hopefully that helps you create your sentences using إنما, لكن, or لكن, and بل. مع السلامة.